Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you about how to calculate the quantity of cement required for brick work. This is also the most important topic. Watch the video to know about it. This is the plan in which we have already find out the total brick work quantity and quantity of sand in the previous videos. Video link is given in the description, watch it if you haven't seen it yet. Brick work quantity equals 13.96 cubic meter. Quantity of sand equals 3.66 cubic meter. To find quantity of cement, simple method to find out quantity of sand is shown here. Mix proportion 1:6. 1 cement, 6 sand. Therefore, by dividing quantity of sand by 6, we get quantity of cement. Therefore, quantity of cement equals 3.66 divided by 6 equals 0.61 cubic meter. Cement required in kg equals 0.61 into 1440. Hence, density of cement equals 1440 kilograms per cubic meter. Equals 878.4 kilogram. One bag of cement contains 50 kilograms. Therefore, total number of bags required equals 878.4 divided by 50 equals 17.56 bags. 18 bags of cement is required. Next we can see detailed method. Quantity of cement equals brick quantity into 0.306565 into cement ratio, divided by total sum of ratios. Therefore cement required equals 13.96 into 0.306565 into 1, divided by 7, equals 0.61 cubic meter. Cement required in kilogram equals 0.61 into 1440 equals 878.4 kilogram. Number of bags of cement required equals 878.4 divided by 50 equals 17.56. Therefore 18 bags of cement is required for this brick work. I hope you all get understood. Kindly subscribe our channel and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you all.